guys, today I have my Ipsy Glam bag plus for the month of November. I do pay for this one myself. I did get on their PR list, so I do have those videos up, but this one is the one that I pay for myself, so I like to keep that clear with you guys. And also you can follow me on my social media down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let's jump into my not PR box so you guys can kind of compare it to what I got in my PR. So first off, if you haven't seen the Ipsy bag for this month, this is what it looks like. The small one is super cute. And this is the one for the Glam bag plus. I love these for storing things or giving gifts or anything like that. A lot of you guys can use them now, especially for the holiday season. And this theme this month is be present, and I thought it was kind of like a gift, but what they mean is like be present in your life and positivity, and you know, be thankful for what you do have. So so yeah, I really like that. And then the only thing I kind of don't like about these little cards now is that you don't have any of the information as far as like the products, how much they're worth or anything like that. I wish that they would put that on there, because if you're gonna send a card, go ahead and put it on there, you know. So first up in here is this right here, and it's actually what is on my eyes. I did do a try on for you guys, and I will have timestamps down below. And this is the Unicarton. It's basically the same as the palette, and I'm so happy that I got this because I have yet to try anything from this brand. This is called Estate. This is Venice Fling, and it's Bailey Sarian. I don't know who that is. I'm thinking it's an influencer or somebody. Y'all will probably correct me down below, but look at this palette. It's really big. I love the mirror, and then look at those colors. The pan sizes in here are enormous. They're bigger than I think even the Juvia's Place ones, or kind of like the same size as the Juvia's Place. So this is what the palette looks like. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers and 4 mattes. Beautiful, beautiful shades. They perform so nicely. The shimmers are so pigmented, and they go like exactly what you see there is how you're gonna get it in your eye. And these are absolutely beautiful. The mattes are super creamy. They blend really nicely. I'm gonna try to do more looks for you guys on my Instagram, so definitely follow if you're interested in seeing more looks or even makeup looks in general. I do a lot of them down there in little videos for you guys. So the next product in here is the Tresique Good Vibes mascara. This is a curler and lash enhancing mascara in one. I have a crap ton of mascaras that I need to get to, so I'm not going to use this. I'm going to put this in my next giveaway. What I've been doing is collecting just a whole bunch of PR or makeup that I buy and put it in a box for you guys and do giveaways. Sometimes I'll announce it randomly in a video, and I will also do it on my Instagram. So follow me down below if you are interested in any giveaways, or you're just interested in makeup itself and want to follow me or get to know me. You can follow. So this mascara is like an eyelash curler and a mascara in one, and I don't really care for the curler part of it. The mascara itself is a nice formulation, but the curler, I am terrified. I don't even use regular eyelash curlers. They're just not for me. So to me, this isn't something that I find very useful. And I also have like so many mascaras that I need to get through, so I am going to be putting that into the next giveaway. Next up is something that like got jacked up. Look at how the box came. What the hell? So this is the Seraphine Fruit Butter Lip Mask. This was not a choice. Yeah, I don't think I chose this one. Yeah, or I did choose this one. Yeah, I did choose this one. This is a lip mask, but I'm going to be putting it in a giveaway as well. I have so many lip masks, and the other options that were available just didn't appeal to me. So I was like, sometimes I pick stuff and I'm like, okay, I'll put that in a giveaway, or I'll give that away, or that kind of thing. So, so yeah, I will definitely be putting this in a giveaway. I have quite a few lip masks already in my bathroom, and you know, like it's quite a bit to go through. So, so yeah, that'll go. Next thing is what I actually have on my lips, and I actually picked this out. This is the Complex Culture, and I have their brushes. I really enjoy their brushes, the Complex Culture. You can see this is one of them. Love these. So I didn't know they do makeup as well, and it's actually what I have on my lips. It's a lip tint, and it's a sheer buildable color. It's very, very nice on the lips. At first, you'll see on the try on portion, like I couldn't hardly get any pigmentation out from it, but then I feel like it took a little while to get, you know, the pigmentation there and to actually get the wand like wet enough with the product for it to start like actually tinting my lips. So I really like it. Super comfortable. It's just like, it doesn't move, and it's super comfortable when you apply it on. It's like watery but moussey. I don't know, but really, really nice. And this is in the shade Espresso. And these are actually made in Canada, and it says it's a primer, liner, balm, tint, soother, and antioxidant all in one. Wow, that's a lot of claims. But look at this packaging, it's square like that. I thought the shade was gonna be a little bit darker, but it's really, really nice. I feel like it looks very beautiful on. And the last thing that came in my bag is something that I actually picked myself. This is the Murad. Murad is known for skincare, and I've always wanted to try them, but they're pretty pricey. So anytime I see Murad in any box, I'm like, yes, I'm gonna try this. So this is their Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream, and I am all about retinol at night. I do share some of my skincare with you guys and do giveaways, but then some of them I'm like, ooh, I want to try that, and this is definitely one of those. Murad has such amazing reviews on their skincare, and I just couldn't say no to this. So this is actually one of my choices as well. So this, the lip product, and the lip mask were my choices this month. But yeah, I'm so excited to try this and add it to my nightly routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the try on portion so you guys can see me actually do this look real quick. I just did a really simple eye look and then try on the lip product, and then I give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so for the try on portion, I actually filmed the lip while I was filming another video, so it's gonna look like I have another eye look on somewhere in between here, but I am going to go ahead and use this right here, the Venice Fling Bailey Sarian times Estate. I don't know who that is, so it's probably an influencer or somebody, but it's called Venice Fling. And I was so surprised by opening this how big these pans are. I love the mirror, super cute packaging. This palette is pretty big itself, and the pans are big, kind of like Juvia's Place. So we're gonna go ahead and play around with some of these shades. I really love this purple and this gold. I kind of want to play with those. These just look absolutely gorgeous. I've never played with Estate. I don't think I have any palettes from them. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with just this Tan Lines, which is just a very neutral shade, and use that as our transition. Okay, so just gonna apply that. So these blend out really nice and soft, just really nice. And then I'm gonna go ahead and darken that up just a little bit with the shade Toasty, which is on the other side of that. It's this matte one on the other side of the middle row, right? Okay. This one right here. And we're just going to darken up that crease. Oh, this is nice. These are so nice. This quality is amazing. So the next shade I'm gonna use is this purple one, Roller Skates. And I'm just going to see how this applies. Wow, these pans are huge. And I'm just gonna apply that to basically almost my lid, except for the front half of it. Wow, look at that pigmentation. That is gorgeous. I'm so happy I got this palette. This wasn't a choice of mine, right? I don't think, yeah, this was already picked for me from Ipsy. So they picked 2 of the products and then I picked the other 3. And I'll let you guys know in the beginning of the video probably like which ones were the ones that I picked out. But this is gorgeous. I've been dying to try this brand because I've seen it around on Instagram, but I have yet to be able to use it. So this is just so beautiful. And I'm gonna keep it more of a simple look today. And then I'm gonna use Soul, which is that gold that I was talking about, and use it on that inner corner. Oh yeah. Oh yes, that is so pretty. And I will definitely do more looks on my Instagram. I really wanna start using up products and do more looks over there. So definitely check me out down below if you're into makeup looks or just want ideas or color schemes or the whole 9 yards, anything beauty related over there. And I'm gonna go ahead and use that purple underneath the lash line as well. Just keep this really simple as far as colors go, but these just perform so nicely. Okay, for the lip product from the Ipsy, I got this Complex Culture, and this is the Deal Closer Tinted Lip Cream. This is in the shade Espresso. So I actually picked this as one of my choices, and this is what it looks like. And we're gonna see, I do have a look on for my Boxycharm box, but by the time I get to the final look of this, it will be the eyeshadow that came in the Ipsy bag, because I'm filming 2 videos in one. So I'm probably gonna be taking off this eye makeup and redoing it. So let's go ahead and test this out. Oh, that is a funny little applicator. It's kind of like bent and it's brown. That's kind of cute. And it doesn't have like any real scent to it. And oh, doesn't have hardly any pigmentation either. So let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Wow, that hardly has any pigmentation. Let's try this again. Let's try this one more time. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. It says it's more of a lip tint, so it's supposed to be a lip tint. So let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I actually really like this, but you do have to really build it up to get some kind of color pigmentation off of it. At first, it just did not come off, but once I built it up, it's a beautiful lip stain and it's very comfortable on the lips. For my final thoughts, as far as my own personal Ipsy, I have to say this month was really nice. The Murad one, the Murad like knocks me out of my socks. I absolutely love trying a good night cream. The palette, I was really impressed with the quality of these and will be playing around more with this. The lip product is really nice as well. And I feel like these other two, the mascara, like I said, is not a mascara that I myself gravitate towards, but and then the lip mask was something that I actually picked, but I knew that sometimes, like I said, I pick stuff to go into giveaways and stuff like that. So those 2 products will go into my next big box to do a giveaway for you guys. And yeah, overall I have to say I'm happy with this bag. I do pay $25 a month for this, and I feel like I got well worth my money. So let me know what your thoughts are down below. Like I said previously, you can follow me on my Instagram down below if you like anything beauty or makeup related, and I'll see you guys in the next one.